Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So before we even get started, let's go ahead and get this out the way, okay? I know I got stretch marks, I know I got a baby gut, and I know I don't have no booty. Can we move on? Here's what the outfit looked like before. I purchased a men's sweatshirt size extra large for $6.99, and the pants were a size 3XL and cost $7.99. I turned the sweatshirt into a crop top and made the pants more fitted while keeping the pockets, and here's the final look. The first thing I did was carefully cut off the bottom hem of the sweatshirt. I was careful to keep the seam intact in case I wanted to add it to the bottom of my crop top, but I decided not to. If that's the look you're going for, then you can attach it back to the bottom of the top by sewing it right sides together and pulling on the hem as you sew to make it more fitted. I took a few more inches off the bottom and I moved on to the sleeves. The wrist cuff of the sleeves fit me already, so when I made the arms tighter, I cut at a diagonal so I wouldn't have to re-sew the wrist part. I eyeballed mine, but if you don't know how much to cut, measure the diameter of your arm, add 2 inches for seam allowance, then divide that number by 2. Since my chest is much larger than my waist, I trimmed more of the body off the sweatshirt and cut at a diagonal so it could be more fitted. To make both sides parallel, fold the top in half and trace your cut. Now just sew along the edges of both sides. Here's how it looked after I sewed it, and here's how it looked turned right side out. At this point, I'd say it fits pretty well, so I'm going to move on to the pants. Now, the pants were kind of tricky at first because I wanted to keep the pockets and the original waistband because of the elastic, so here's how I did it. The first step is to cut the inside seams of the legs. Since the pants are so big, I use that as an opportunity to cut away some of the fabric. That way, the legs of the pants could be more fitted. Just like with the arms, when your pants are folded, make sure the width of the legs are the circumference of your leg plus 2 divided in half. To make the pants more fitted in the front and the back, I had to recreate the existing seams. To do this, I had to fold the pants. Now, I don't know what it's called, but it's basically when you make the front of the pants touch the back of the pants. To cut the new seams for the front and the back crotch area, I just mimicked the curve of the old seam a few inches inward. I promise this is all about to make sense in a minute. Now sew the front and the back seams together. Alright, y'all want to see a magic trick? Voila, magic. See how they look like pants again? I told y'all this was about to make sense. So now match up the two crotch seams and pin the rest of the legs together to get it ready to sew. Hey, then go get daddy. Yo, kids, they in here.
Not this.
I tried them on, y'all, and they fit. I feel like my socks. I stole these from my husband.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video where Chloe gonna create something new.